If you're looking for a device with one objective in mind to track your fitness, then you probably want a fitness tracker. Fitness trackers can truly help you toward your fitness goals in that they can show you your step counts, calories burned, flights of stairs climbed, and more. But they can really only show you how you're doing, and some can notify you to get moving when you've been sedentary for a while, but they can't actually force you to exercise. That's all up to you. Pros: battery life, days to months, depending on the tracker. Interchangeable bands for many trackers, usually quite affordable. Many good brands to choose from. Many good companion apps. Many stylish options: Fitbit Daria, Misfit Swarovski, Jawbone. Motivating notifications for goal progress and when to exercise. Cons: few features, depending on the tracker. Few with interactive capabilities. Few with onboard GPS. One-size-fits-all approach to tracking. A smartwatch is a true extension of your phone onto your wrist. With top-of-the-line smartwatches, you can read and respond to texts, use a whole host of wrist-based apps, often extensions of the phone apps themselves, usually track your heart activity, set reminders, and much more. Pros: so many features. Customizable faces. Interchangeable bands. Wide array of decent options. Receive and respond to notifications. Voice assistant capabilities. No need to pull your phone out. Dedicated fitness features, depending on available apps. Cons: battery life. That price tag, depending on the watch. Not always the most stylish choice, even with different bands. Can be bulky. Not many top-of-the-line options. Who should get a fitness tracker? If your main concern is fitness, and you'd like the convenience of not having to pull out your phone to see who's calling while you're jogging, but you don't really need all those other apps and features, then you should probably just go with the fitness tracker. Who should get a smartwatch? If you're looking to do much more with a wearable than simply track your fitness progress and receive text, email, and calendar alerts. A smartwatch is a mini computer on your wrist and can do a great many of the things your phone can already do. You just don't need to whip out your phone to do them.